I'm going to show you the Pets DHGate spreadsheet in 2025. Now, what I mean by that is, for example, if you go to DHGate and then you go ahead and search for designer shoes, right? Now, if you go to designer shoes and the result is like this, you don't know which one is actually good. Like, sure, there are pictures, but those are not real pictures. And sometimes things can just get messed up in shipping and then it'll turn out bad, right? Now, you don't know which one is one by one, you know which one is really good, which one is really quality, right? So you don't really know. For example, this one, this like knockoff Jordans, you can see it'll look good on picture, but who knows what might come on your actual house later, right? So what is the solution for this? Now I have found this spreadsheet on the internet and it seems pretty legit, right? You can see on the spreadsheet, it'll see it like this, and you can see you can go ahead and go to any of these links. You can see one by one iPhone Max, and you can see you can find all of these stuff, one by one quality, reviews, things like that. So you can pick or buy whatever one you want on this spreadsheet here, right? So even though you're shooting not in the dark, you can now shoot a lot more carefully with this spreadsheet here. I'll put up the link on the screen right now, or you can also find it on the description or on the pinned comment down below.